Hello and welcome to day 15 of the Emergent series. In this video, let's see how do we integrate different applications onto our web applications using Emergent Agent. We have seen different integrations in the last few videos, but let's understand what trick can we use to integrate many other applications onto our web app. So let's get started. Head over to emergent.sh/integrations and you can see some of the integrations that the Emergent Agent directly supports. They also have categories like AI, database, design, and so on and so forth. So if you go to AI, then you can see it supports Teamwork, Chatbot, Motion, QuickBooks, Gemini, Claude, OpenAI, and so on and so forth, right? Likewise, if you go to database, then it supports Webflow, database via OneDrive. We have Google Drive, we have Google Doc, we have GitHub, Dropbox, Supabase, Notion, Airtable, and so on and so forth, right? If we go to design, then we have Wix, Framework, Canva, Figma. Now let's go to project management and let's check for Trello. Okay, so you can see what Trello is and how do we use Trello integration within Emergent. Okay, you can see here Trello plus Emergent. The Trello and Emergent integration enables user to build and deploy custom project management applications and workflows by prompt, combining Emergent's full stack vibe coding capabilities with Trello's visual Kanban-based workspace. Okay, it has given some details and it also has given why integrate Trello with Emergent. Okay, some details about it. And now they also explain to you how Emergent works with Trello in real time. Okay, so you can see here, step 1 is describe your app. Example, build a sprint management hub that syncs Trello boards with Slack for daily stand-up updates, tracks task progress in Google Sheets, and automatically moves card when Salesforce deals close, right? Now you can see these are some examples that they've given, right? Likewise, if you see here, declare integrations. Say Trello plus Slack plus Google Sheets plus Salesforce. Emergent sets up providers, authentication, and recommended connection methods including API key and token or OAuth 2.0. Step 3 is secure credentials. Step 4 is select boards and map properties. Step 5 is real-time and scheduled flows. Step 6 is test and preview. Step 7 is deploy. Step 8 is expand. Now they have also given some popular Trello plus Emergent integration use cases, right? You can go through this. This basically gives you some idea of how integration with Trello could be done with your app. They have given some sample prompts that you can use, and they've also given what are some of the use cases which may make sense. You can copy this prompt, adapt it to your needs, and use it with Emergent Agent. So they have given some use cases as we just saw. Now let's move on. I'll go back to integrations and we can go to, let's say, communication, right? We have Teams, we have DocuSign, we have Google Forms, Woofu, Zoom, Calendly, right? Spotify, so many things, right? Outlook, email, Gmail, Discord, Twilio, SendGrid, and Twilio. Okay, let's quickly check for DocuSign, right? You can see a DocuSign integration with Emergent. Build e-signature apps by prompt. Okay, now DocuSign plus Emergent. The DocuSign and Emergent integration enables user to build and deploy custom e-signature applications and contract management workflows by prompt, combining Emergent's full stack vibe coding capabilities with DocuSign's comprehensive agreement platform, AI-powered Mastro workflows, and intelligent agreement management through the DocuSign API. Okay, and a few more details about it. You can see some more details about what DocuSign is and how it can be used. Okay, now why integrate DocuSign with Emergent is available over here. Not just that, you can also see popular DocuSign plus Emergent integration use cases, right? Build a contract lifecycle and CRM automation system using Emergent with DocuSign plus Salesforce integration. The second use case is build a signature notification and approval hub using Emergent with DocuSign plus Slack integration. The third use case is build a contract tracking and obligation management hub using Emergent with the DocuSign and Airtable integration, right? And they have also given some prompt like sync DocuSign contracts with Airtable to track obligations, renewal dates, and compliance requirements. Okay, again, the second step is declare integrations. What are the integrations that we are going to use? Share credentials securely, select envelopes and map data, set triggers and schedules, test and preview, deploy and expand. Right, these are the steps that we already saw. We will use similar steps, whatever integrations we need to do. Let's move on and let's check what are the other things that we can look for. We have marketing and sales. Okay, we can see that we have Zoho, we have WordPress.com, Pipedrive, Salesforce, MailChimp, HubSpot, right? We have customer support, which is Zendesk. We have event management, like Cvent. I don't know what is this. Popl workflows, it says. Then we have Ticket Tailor. We have Event Tribe. And then we have e-commerce like ShipStation, Woo, Shopify. Fintech is Expensify and Edus. Why integrate Expensify with Emergent? You can see some details over here. And they also have how Emergent works with Expensify in real time. Okay, and they've given us some prompt which we can use. Of course, we'll have to modify this based on our use case. So here they've mentioned build an expense operations hub that syncs Expensify expenses with Salesforce opportunities for client billing, exports reports to QuickBooks for accounting reconciliation, sends Slack notifications when high-value expenses need approval, tracks expense trends in Google Sheets, and synchronizes with NetSuite for enterprise financial management. Likewise, step 2 is declare integrations. We have to tell what are the applications that we're going to use. The third one is secure credentials. Fourth one is select data sources and map properties. The fifth one is real-time and scheduled flows. Okay, the sixth step is test and preview. Seventh is deploy, and eighth is expand. We also have some popular use cases, right? Build a client billing system using Emergent with Expensify plus Salesforce integration. Likewise, we also have build an accounting automation system using Emergent with Expensify plus QuickBooks integration. Okay, and then we have build an expense notification system using Emergent with Expensify plus Slack integration. We have build a financial analytics dashboard using Emergent with Expensify plus Google Sheets, right? And then we have build an enterprise financial hub using Emergent with Expensify plus NetSuite integration. Okay, and sixth one, we have build a compliance and audit system using Emergent with Expensify plus accounting integration. These are some of the use cases that they have explained over here. Does not mean you can use it only for these purposes. You can use it for any purpose that you have in mind. Just that you can take this prompt, adapt it to your needs, and give it to the agent. So agent understands what is that you are looking to build, and it helps you build exactly that. You also have a few FAQs already answered for you with regards to this particular platform, which is Expensify. You can go through this so that you understand how it actually works, what are the details that you need, and you can just use those prompts into your Emergent agent, which will give you the best possible result. And ERP, we have Anywhere and Oracle NetSuite. These are not all the integrations. The documentation is still getting updated every single day. So by the time you see this, there could be multiple other integrations already added over here. Okay, not just that, we have resources section where you can see tutorials, case studies, blogs, and also support. So if you click on support, it will take you to this particular screen. You can see here introduction, welcome to Emergent. We have some more details about the platform. You can also see how to get started, features, integration section, where you can see some more integrations and more detailed workflows available over here. We have prompt engineering. How do you get the best prompt so that the agent can understand and give you the best results? You can see some use cases, tips and tricks. Custom agents. How do you build and manage your own custom agents, right? And we also have mastering Emergent. We have community and support. Join their Discord community and get help from our team. And they also have some video tutorials available over here. They also have some plans and credits where you can see what are the plans available, how does the credit work, what are the credit rollover policy, and so on and so forth. They have some FAQs, they have some getting started steps over here. Okay, and they will keep adding more and more. So this is the space that you have to keep watching if you want to master Emergent. Let's check Expensify once. Okay, you can see here Expensify integration with Emergent, build expense management apps by prompt. Okay, so Expensify plus Emergent, what it is and how we can use it. So these documentations will help you get the integration just right. If you understand what are the details required and what is that data that you have to give to the agent before even you start the integration, it will help you save credits. So please look into their documentation to see if they have already documented the integration that you're looking for. You will save a lot of credits and you'll get the best possible results by using those prompts. I hope you are enjoying this series, and if so, do not forget to like the video and share it with your fellow colleagues and friends. Thank you for watching, and we will be covering more advanced topics in the Emergent series. So do not forget to subscribe and follow along. I will see you in the next one.